Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, we are talking the word bubble. How do we say bubble in Hebrew? And in Hebrew we say bua. But we don't say or because we're talking today like Ashkenazi. So we pronounce it a bit like Alef, not like Ayin. We say like Alef. So bua, 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 bua. And plural, bubbles, bubbles, buot. That's feminine, plural, buot. Bua, buot. And bua, it's like in English, bua of like soap, or even like real estate bubbles. So bua, bua, buot. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב.